Yes, lads, welcome back to another video. And this weekend we are doing something so sick I just had to vlog it, do a bit of a different video. We are on our way to Wales, yeah, to climb a hill. That hill's got snow on. It's got snowed on. Yeah, we're doing Snowdon, baby. So now I've got to drive 3.5 hours just to go climb a fucking hill. So all the best, and I'll see you at the side. See you when we get there. Got an Airbnb in that. Fucking hell, who's been sat in here? Jesus Christ. Now I'm cruising. That's too low though, I can't see over the steering wheel. RMP's top tips, always check your oil. Just before we started our journey, I said, do you know what, I'll check the tyres and check the oil. Maturity at its finest. What's the highest thing you've ever climbed before?
Maybe that Bali thing.
Oh yeah, I forgot we did that. Oh, to be fair, I have hiked before then. And this one's in the UK, so it can't be very big. Also, apparently it's free.
Really?
Yeah, like in any other country, it'll cost well loads to do it.
You need a tour guide.
We're taking the Scenic route. Have a look at that for a view. But basically, the only reason we can see all of this is because our good friend Charlotte put in the chat. Clear your way?
Clear.
Yeah, our good friend Charlotte put in the chat. Oh, it doesn't come up on the old maps, so put this chip shop in. That chip shop takes you half an hour down south. We need to go half an hour up north. So now we're half hour late, but we're only late for the pub. I mean, that is something very important not to be late for, because a Friday beer in this weather with these views, I could not think of anything better. But Charlotte had to stick a bloody oar in and make us late. I'll have a word with her when I see her.
Why don't you try the address?
Because I go off what people tell me. I trust. That's the problem with me. I trust too much. No, I don't want to get into it.
Okay. Shit. It's on it.
I just break it down there. This is dangerous, this. Oh, seriously, I don't even know if the camera should be on because it's live or death. Oh, rate whistle. Might need that. Miles is getting a bit... Sending me some fruity pics lately. I'm a little bit worried about this trip. They got a well nice pepperoni top over there. It's 50 quid. How much is that coat? That's banger.
That's cool.
Doesn't say how much. That is a price there, but oh, there you go. Fucking hell, 320 quid.
That's mental.
Hello, doggy. Gone, John.
Oh my god!
They're gone, John, to Snowdonia. Brother, what a journey. And then look at this that I've just had to drive up. And you're not allowed to park here. So I've got to reverse back down there, out there. This place just looks sick, yeah? But also, I'm a little bit pissed off that these mountains are taller than Snowdon. Tell me why we're climbing Snowdon. Why is that the tallest? Because it's not. I can't see Snowdon over those. Right, let's see what this has. Look at the view, by the way. Come on. Where's the Snowdon? Warm. Left the heating on for us. They must have some money. This Airbnb must be paying very well. What has that? Are there any lights? It's alright, this. What's that? Shepherd's Welsh biscuits and a bottle of wine. Ooh. Come on. Couple of board games. I love a board game, mate. What's the shower saying? Where's the lights at? There we go. Ooh, not too shabby. Don't like baths. Yo. Snow Ultra Trail Snowdon. You can do a fucking race. Oh mate, I'm gonna wee myself. Also, that journey was like 40 minutes extra than it needed to be. And I blame Charlotte, which I still do partially, because She said, it doesn't come up on maps, so just go to this chip shop. There's 2 chip shops. So it's partly my fault as well, because I put in the wrong chip shop, and it was 30 minutes the opposite direction down south. But, come on, just put the address into maps, and it worked straight away. We were there. Right, I will take you upstairs in a minute, but I need to get that stuff out and move the car, because you're not allowed to leave it there. What am I paying for? Somewhere to sleep? Upstairs, where the light switch is? Up here as well. Let's see which room me and Miles are having. Me and my boy. Well, what's in there then? Why is that locked? Oh, I can actually hear something behind that. Hello? Well, that's us being murdered tonight. Dear guest, please leave this notice on the bed if you have not used it. Cheers, Claire and Molly. Don't you worry, Claire and Molly. Me and Miles will be using that. He'll be there, and I'll be here. Like this. What are you doing? Are you 25 years old talking like that about another man? And then this is the other room where the girls will have. And they'll be doing the same thing. Also, see that mountain goat? Ah, shit, someone's touching the car. Right, I found this, and I'm pretty sure. So, Snowdonia is the area. Ah. And then, because, mate, this is bollocks. This is, what's it called? Propaganda. They're telling us, as tourists, this is the highest. But I think the locals go to this one or that one. I think they're actually taller and they've lied. Because that didn't look that tall.
It's not taller by much, though.
Enough. They're lying to us, mate. I know what they're doing. I'm going to climb the other ones. I'm going to climb Gun and Ugan. And Gun and Lulawan. Fuck Snowdon. Ooh, we call it Snowdon because it's got the word snow in it. We'll think it's got snow. Well, it has got snow on it. I did see that. Fridge freezer, Ebenezer, do as you please, a titty teaser.
That sounds like a dishwasher.
Yeah, look, that opens well weird. Don't it, don't. Oh. Right, am I driving to Dakota?
Whatever you want to do. It's either
Is there parking?
I don't know.
I suppose I could drive to it, but right. Wish me luck, boys. I'm going back down that hill. Can only do it backwards. Don't know where they expect us to park.
Bit closer.
Should have got you to stay in the house. Too late now, I'm at the bottom of the fucking hill. I've just crashed. I've just crashed the car, scraped it all down the side. She turned it off. Thought nothing was happening, you'd done it. I just crashed and you just missed it. The cars are right off now. Is this the car park bit they want us to park in? Everyone's already here, mate. Spar tuna baguette. Tastes like salmon. Horrible. Well, we've got shepherd's pie biscuits. I don't know, shepherd's Welsh biscuits.
Oh my god, they use them.
And one.
Do they cost?
Yeah.
They give us a one.
They're extra.
They're extra. Do you want one? Do you want a Mecca biscuit?
I fucking hate one.
I love sweet. Mate, I can't wait for a pie.
I absolutely hate one, it tastes like vinegar. Reminds me of like being 17 at a house party.
I'll wash this bad boy down.
How dry is that biscuit?
I hate white wine. I like red wine.
Yeah, I know you do. What's your head on that? Oh, they've actually got a bit of foam there. We gave us 2. Oh no.
Not that way though.
What about just doing that?
No. Oh, wow, nice.
I'm gonna eat the other one.
Yeah.
I got 4 big Guinness, 4 little Guinness. But we'll just take the 4 big Guinness and then 2 little ones so we can do a top up in case we don't split the gin.
Where? Up in the thingy?
Yeah.
If you want the second one, we'd be like, Right, we're splitting the G. Have you brought a glass?
Alright, this is what they supply. 2023 Pinot Grigio. That is some Tesco's finest.
Is it?
Yeah, they wouldn't give you any less. They don't give you Tesco's finest.
It's nice and warm as well.
Grown in altitude of northern Italy. Bloody hell! I've not had much wine in my time, but I only have the best, the finest.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
It's bloody top tier. That's aged very well since 2023. Does white wine age as well as red wine? No.
I don't know.
Charlotte's turn to go down this little tight bit now. I'll get out of the way of the mirror.
Okay.
Mars is giving her directions. I'm a joke, Charlotte. Right, that's a joke. That's the only joke of the day.
Why did I say all that? I think you've done it. Easy. Oh, it's quicker than you.
Wait, no, you smashed that. Yeah, smaller car in it.
You took forever.
Charlie Dark. Just smashing it, girl.
To be fair though, mine is twice as long, I think. So is my car. Because one about penis joke?
Yeah.
You get it. Don't know how, but we've made it. Charlotte did not want to go into the pub. She drove past the pub 3 times. You right, mate? Oh, it's important. Yeah. Arnie, I've got Guinness. Can I get a Guinness, please, pal? I do definitely need the practice.
Hold on.
It's too cold on my teeth.
Mate, what the hell? Do you know what's weird about that? It's the same glass, same way, but that side
How many gulps do you take?
you're under and that side you're on it.
Yeah, but
the glass isn't even.
I drank it from that side. That's the side I'm
And
in.
then that was my crappy one. I need some practice. Well done, Mickey. Cheers, John. Right, 10 more then. Right, guess what? GJ. He said that we're never getting to the top tomorrow. He said it'd be so frozen, you no chance. Cheers, good.
He said, "Are you on TikTok?" And I was like, "Yeah."
No, you didn't.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, God. What was that?
Hold on a minute.
I thought you practiced.
Oh, for God's sake.
Mate, how did your GoPro stuck to that? Oh, I didn't try. Where am I
Right,
getting?
split in between the M and the hat. So you need to practice, bro. Take that to the grave. Oh, you've got a bit of techies about it. I'm not a seasonal drinker. You're a big time drinker, ain't you?
No.
You should have a go.
Have a taste of it.
We had a well mad drive here.
Mate, wow.
Charlotte,
That's really cool.
I want to take 40% of the blame. You need to take 60.
What have you grown?
No, for why we had to take such a ridiculous route.
Oh.
I have to admit, I slagged you off to the people. I slagged Charlotte off. I did. I went in a little bit when we nearly fell off the edge of a cliff. I did.
You should have at least
But-
tried the address in maps first.
I did before. And then you know what, yeah? When you put it in the chat, I've tried it in the maps, went, oh, it's only 3.5 hours. And then this morning, today when we left, I put it in the maps, but I put your chip shop, and I went, fucking, that was well far. How's that got further? But yeah, luckily, I told Gigi to lie to our mates and say we're going to meet him at the pub. And then I went, put in what pub we go, and then she all of a sudden clicked that we were going the wrong place. We were going down here, and it's actually there.
Well, at least you saw the goat.
The mountain though, driving was mental. She showed you that? Yeah, we saw waterfalls and that. It's pretty sick. This place is pretty mad. Hey, we may have a hike at 6 in the morning or whatever it is, but we are going to a second pub. That is what I'm talking about, John. We need another Guinness.
We go to Cornwall and the little.
We need another Guinness. Oh, they got Wrexham Lager on draft. I'm getting that. I'm getting Wrexham Lager.
What's it say?
You know Bootlegger?
No.
I swear that's his.
I don't think so.
It's not. It's not. It's Bootlegger Lager. Sammy, can I get a pint of Wrexham Lager? Well, have you got any lager, Zero? No, you have Heineken. In the middle. Yeah. Heineken Zero? Yeah. Do you have any glasses of Wrexham Lager? that I could take home with me. It's like a souvenir.
Fucking poor table that was.
So I'm gonna go under the guy. Yeah, under the guy.
Jim, you got a little trick.
Fuck off.
Oh, I have to do that side.
Honestly, I have less than 12 hours. Less than 12 hours to pinpoint splitting. I used to be a seasoned pro. If you know one of my TikToks, on St. Paddy Day last year, I had it to point. What am I doing at this day and age?
They won't sell them in there, will they?
Is that better getting this than the last one?
That was actually bad.
Go get it. Drink the whole bottle. Got me asking you bitching. Nowhere near G. Wait, do you know what, yeah? That is the first time ever.
Too thirsty.
No, that's the first time ever you've drank too much. You've never drank too much.
Too thirsty. So, yeah, but.
Wait, do you know what we've got to do tomorrow? We've got to climb the biggest place in Wales. We're out having beers and we've got a curry.
I'm not able to run, and I really.
Last chance before the big day tomorrow.
Got to do it that way, so then they can see.
All the best.
Let's be clear on this. Sort our... We should do all that now.
Yeah, no, we have to.
Whilst they sort dinner, we do have to. Let's get our platforms together.
This is not looking good for tomorrow. I have seriously.
Done it that
Oh, he's
side.
done
Again,
it as
I've done
well.
this side. Hold on.
This man is in peak performance. In form, Felco. Out of form, RMP. Mature up. I need another try. I might have to get another one. Oh, see. Guy, oh, by the way, like, do you think I'll be alright tomorrow? Remember what you're wearing? He told him he's wearing gym shoes, and he went, "If you got a fucking chance," and he went, "Well, he's got steel toe caps." He went, "He's got a better chance than you." We're fucked. We're cooked. We aren't getting to the top. But we have to split a gym. There's a whole reason I've drove 3 hours, 45 minutes, 4 hours because of you. Well, 4 hours, 16 minutes. Okay, I'll take partial blame. But I need to split a G at the top of Snowdon. If we don't get to the top and put the...
How are we not?
How are we going to make it?
It's the ice.
What, you think we'll
Fucking
slide
gym
over
shoes.
that?
Wait, is it one of them gym shoes where your toes go through the like socks?
Yeah.
Actually. Is it?
It's those Nike ones, you remember, with the big toe.
I'm not timing it with you.
One of these spinach in it.
I'm still recording. Behind the scenes.
Cheap ass ketchup.
You've buttered bread before.
Yeah, it's full
How
of
cute's that? Oh, she's cheese bae! I'm gonna run a trade for you tonight.
What's that?
I'm gonna shag the shit out of you. That will not be making the final edit.
No.